The Rolls-Royce Phantom 8, introduced in 2017, represents the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship in the automotive world. This full-sized luxury sedan combines timeless design with modern technology, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Key features: engine and performance. The Phantom 8 is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering approximately 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This engine propels the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.1 seconds, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. Design and dimensions. Measuring 227.2 inches in length and 77.9 inches in width, the Phantom 8 features a classic Rolls-Royce design with a long hood, signature grille, and the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. The extended wheelbase, EWB, model offers additional rear seat space for enhanced comfort. Interior luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring high-quality materials such as leather, wood veneers, and metal accents. Customization options allow owners to tailor the interior to their preferences, including bespoke seating, ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment systems. Technology and features. Equipped with advanced technology, the Phantom 8 includes a bespoke audio system, a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, and a navigation system. The vehicle also offers a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and night vision. Driving experience. The Phantom 8 is renowned for its magic carpet ride quality, achieved through a self-leveling air suspension system that ensures a smooth and comfortable journey. The vehicle's advanced chassis and suspension systems provide exceptional handling and stability.